Man, how are you doing? Joseph, man. Yes, sir.
So, yeah, my wife got locked out. Oops. And then,
Okay.
I think she tried to use. I told her
Knife?
try stick it on the side, but she
Yeah.
thought I said stick it in.
Oh, shit. That's okay, man. We'll get you guys in real quick.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. Little bump key.
Let me know if you need the actual key.
Yeah, no biggie. These keys usually turn to the left or to the right. Do you remember?
Ooh. I think left. I'm not 100% sure.
Okay. So I can get this.
I think left.
There it is.
Alright.
Perfect.
The lock's still broken then, though, yeah?
Nope, locks works.
Oh, yeah.
It's fine.
Okay,
It's just a bump key. It's like picking a lock in a different type of way. So
that is awesome.
it's pretty cool. I make them myself.
Wow.
So
Okay.
you guys are good to go, man. Let me put these tools away and I'll be right back with you, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Yep, thanks, man. Here you go, Keymaster's Daily Bump Keys. Let's go.